In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set shared budgets in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Tools tab is selected. Then, in the Tools setting, click and expand the Budget and Bidding option. Then choose Shared Budgets. If you have an already set shared budget, you'll find it there. Now, to create a new shared budget, click the plus icon or the New Shared Budget option below. Give your budget a name and select the campaigns between which you want to share the budget. You can see that the total budget of both the campaigns is $7,000 and that it will be shared between both, which means it will be $3,500 on average per campaign. Click Save to apply it. You'll be asked to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm it. Your selected campaigns will now draw from the same shared daily budget. And that's it. That's how you set Google Ads shared budgets. Thanks for watching.